Do you want to learn CorelDraw? Then you clicked on the right video. First of all, subscribe to this channel because I always give design-related tips and tricks. In this video series, you will learn the CorelDraw in simple 10 steps. I give you a brief introduction of CorelDraw. You can see this is a menu bar, standard bar, property bar, tools, colors, and status bar. These all are really important when you will start designing. In this video, I'll teach 3 tools: Pick Tool, Shape Tool, and Rectangle Tool. In the Shape Tool, there are few subtools. I will also tell you the use of these all. Click on this icon and draw a rectangle. Click on this Shape tool. Select this point and drag you. You can see the corner changing with the tool. Right-click on this rectangle and click on the Convert to Curves. We'll show the use of the Smear tool. With this tool, we can create icons, logo like this. Draw one more rectangle and change the color form this color palette. Let's check the use of the next tool, which is Twirl. Click on here and select the Twirl tool. Change nib size and rate as you need. Click on this object now. Drag this with the Pick tool. Change color from here. Draw one more rectangle. Change color. Click on this black point and select the Attract tool, and with the Attract tool just move your mouse pointer like this. Click on this point and drag to the right side and right-click before release the left click so the object will be duplicated. Select and drag. Drag and select both objects and change the color. We'll drag one more rectangle. I will create one more object like this. Select. Click on Edit menu, Duplicate. Click on this Mirror horizontally option. Now select these 2 objects. For that, you need to select one and press the Shift key and click on another option. Click on this Align and Distribute option. Click on Active Objects and click on this Align Top option. Click here to add a new page. Draw a rectangle. Add color. Click on this black point. Click on the Rebel tool. Remove and add some portions like this. Now press the page down button from your keyboard so that you will get this window. Press enter now. Click on this black point and select the Smudge tool. Add a rectangle. Change color. Drag outside from rectangle. Drag inside. Add a page. Draw a rectangle. Add color. Click on this black point, select the roughen tool. See you in the next video. Thank you.